Hello and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to set out an outside the hive feeder. We're going to take all the sugar water that I've got made up so far, put it into the bucket here, and get it set up so the girls can have at it. Now I've just now opened these and I'm already getting several bees over here. Get down from there. Hey Josh, can you get me a hammer?
Hammer?
Yes, please. What do you know, Junior? What are you doing? Yeah, get down from there. Hey, get down from there. Oh. What do you know, Junior? Huh? What do you say? What do you say? No, that was my towel. He just took my towel.
Huh?
He just took my wet towel.
Okay. Come here. Looks like he doesn't like me anymore.
He's just hyper.
Huh?
He's just being hyper.
Oh. I love you. I'm gonna give him some sugar. You like sugar?
Okay, Josh,
Huh?
can you start bringing in these containers? These cans we can just throw away, put in recycling.
What about this too?
Those go in the those go into the house because we'll wash and reuse them.
Sorry, Junior. Give me that.
Now we're going to put the cover on, and we have to make sure that it is well seated, because if it's not, it will be a mess. All right, so now it will flow a little bit until it creates the equilibrium. So I'm just going to kind of stick around and hey Josh,
Huh?
can you go in that one top bar that's easy to open and close and grab one of those spacer bars?
Spacer bars in there.
You know, those thin ones? Yeah, the ones in the stripe, hive stripe closes easy.
Okay.
'Cause I need to, this is not level. And that's another thing too, is this needs to be level, and it's just a bit outside. Junior is cleaning up the dripping. Yep. So what we'll do here is just that should take care of it. What are you doing, Junior? What are you doing, Junior? You being a good boy? You being a good boy? So a couple have found it. A few more on the way. Get some hungry bees taken care of.